Jocelyn Mayas, representing Cluster 3, comprising Barangay San Vicente, San Rafael, Napo, and San Pedro.
Candidate number 7, Miss Jollibee Liego Betita. Parents, Mr. Romeo and Maria Teresa Betita, representing Cluster 2, Patinay and La Caridad.
Candidate number 8, Maria Donna Shil Jacinto Belbera. Parents, Mr. Elmer and Mrs. Jocelyn Belbera, representing Cluster 6, comprising Barangay San Martin, Magsaysay, Azpitia, and San Lorenzo.
Candidate number 9, Miss Mary Jane Casina Humawan. Parents, Mr. Rogelio and Mrs. Gloria Humawan, representing Cluster 7, Santa Irene, San Joaquin, and Lacrian.
Candidate number 10, Queenie Faye B. Manligues. Parents, Barangay Captain Benicio and Mrs. Agustina Manligues, representing Cluster 9, comprising Barangay Awa, Mabuhay, Santa Maria, and New Mao. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the candidates of Bayangot 2013.
Okay, sino kaya sa palagay nyo ngayon ang ating Miss Talent for Bayangot 2013?
Who's your man? Candidate!
Sige nga, gusto namin marinig yung yell o yung cheer ng bawat cluster. From Cluster 1!
Cluster 1! Cluster 2!
Ay, bulagtago na lang ito ang contestant number kasi makalimot sila silang
Sige, nalibog na sa silang cluster.
Sige,
Alright.
tago na lang nato ang mga
Supporters!
supporters of barangay sa contestant number 1. Asa na sila?
Contestant number 2! Number 3! Wow, naapod. Gamay.
Number 4!
Number 5!
Number 6.
Candidate number 6! Number 7! How about candidate number 9?
And number 10! Okay.
Dito siguro ni kaya murag wala sila gidapigan ba? Magdaog jud ni sa beauty and talent definitely.
Yes. And of course, finally, to proclaim us now the Miss Talent for Bayan